Do you want to install and run software in Sandbox on Windows 11? Then you are at the right place, as here is how to do so. Let's get started. This is the Windows Club. If you are a developer or just someone who wants to test their application in a clean Windows environment, you might want to use Windows Sandbox. It's a lightweight desktop environment to safely run applications in isolation. In this video, we are going to see how you can set up, install and test software in Sandbox on Windows. Let's get started. Method 1. Set up Windows Sandbox. To enable Windows Sandbox, follow the steps mentioned below. Open the control panel by searching it out of the Start menu. Change the view by to large icons. Go to Programs and Features. Click on Turn Windows Features on or off. Now, look for Windows Sandbox, tick its checkbox and click on OK. It might take some time for Windows Sandbox to install. Once done, you can open it by searching Windows Sandbox from the Start menu and install the updates. If you can't find it in the Start menu, then press Windows plus R keys to launch the Run dialog box. Then execute this command. Now you should be able to open the Sandbox environment, but first make sure you enable it as shown previously. If you are using Windows 11 Home, you can create and run a bat file to install Windows Sandbox on your computer following this guide. Method 2. Copy the installation file. Even though Windows Sandbox can download the software to test the software hosted on the web, you can also copy it present on the host computer and paste it inside the Sandbox environment. For example, we have freeware called FixWin11 as explained in this link. We download the zip file from the mentioned hyperlink. To move it to the environment, right-click on the zip file, select Copy, go to the Sandbox environment, navigate to the location where you want to store the file and select Paste. Once you have pasted the file inside the Sandbox environment, you can just right-click on it and select Extract. When downloading programs from the web, there is a browser inside the Sandbox environment that you can use to do the same. However, to make the environment more secure, many users tend to disable the network. You can do the same by creating a .wsb file using Notepad that contains this script. Once you run the script, your Sandbox device will not be able to communicate with any other device or connect to the network. Method 3. Install the program. Now that we have moved the installation media to the Sandbox machine, you can install the program. Although it's a Windows environment, the file systems will differ and a temporary account will be created. The program will install and extract to different locations. Install the application and test it using the tutorial. When you close the Sandbox, any changes will be reverted, giving you a clean slate next time. So that's it. Subscribe to the Windows Club for all your tech solutions related to Windows. Thanks for watching.